Moving heavy furniture in Springfield, Missouri? It can feel stressful, but with the right movers, it doesn't have to be. Today, we'll share how professional furniture movers can make your move smooth and worry-free. Heavy furniture isn't just heavy, it's awkward and delicate. Professional movers have the right tools, techniques, and experience to protect your furniture and your home from damage. Movers in Springfield handle everything from wrapping and disassembling furniture to loading, transporting, and setting it up in your new home. This ensures your items arrive safely and you avoid back strain or accidents. Preparation is key. Measure doorways, plan which furniture goes where, and schedule your movers in advance. Professional movers can also give upfront quotes, helping you budget and avoid surprises. Label boxes clearly set aside fragile items and communicate special instructions to your movers. These simple steps help movers work efficiently and keep your furniture in perfect condition. Moving furniture in Springfield doesn't have to be stressful. Hire trusted movers, plan ahead, and enjoy a smooth, safe move. Click the link in the description to book professional moving services today.